Hello everyone, this is Pathak Judicial Studies, and this is to inform you that we are introducing a 6-month crash course program for Madhya Pradesh Judicial Services. See, we are expecting one somewhere between January and February. So we are introducing this program in order to facilitate those who have undergone their preparation anywhere, but they are still losing or lacking the confidence because of lack of learning and writing preparation. So for those people who have done something, or even for those who have undergone their preparation anyway, or who have done their graduation in a very profound manner and they wish to appear for judicial services. So here we are introducing a program which will be a crash course program starting from 28th of November 2022. This session will be conducted in morning hours from 9 to 12 p.m. and it will go for a stretch of 6 months. In this duration, it will be covering the prelims exam, wherein it will be including computer, GS, and English papers. Apart from this, we will also be preparing for mains examination, which will include the learning and writing practice, both. So the program is intended to facilitate those who have done their preparation, but they are still losing something. It is also inclined to help those people who wish to appear for judicial services, but they are lacking courage for any reason. They just start and skip it, or they fail to do it anyway. So let me tell you, you have to collect some courage. Collect that courage and start your preparation. It is very much obvious whenever you start something, there is a fear. But this is high time that you should conquer that fear and find the real hero within you. Once you are done with that, and once you can couple your courage, your self-belief, and a to-do capacity, the combination of all three will make you, or will lead you to achieve anything what you want. Say, nothing in the universe can be achieved without collecting the courage, without starting a thing. So this is high time you should start with. In any walk of life, in order to succeed, you should have a degree of courage and your first step. So start the first step, lay the first brick. Once you do this, you will have certain degree of confidence and you will be achieving whatever you are wishing for. Good luck to you. Thank you.